Hello and welcome back to Magnificence Mindset. I am Louise-Marie and I am truly glad you are here with me today. This episode is for anyone standing at a quiet crossroads. Not a dramatic one, not a moment of crisis, but the subtle inner pause where something asks, is this really the direction I want to continue in? If that question has been present in you lately, even softly, then this episode is for you. Because choosing your path is not about pressure, it is about honesty. Many people believe they have not chosen a path yet, but in truth, not choosing is already a choice. When we avoid deciding, we often tell ourselves stories. For example, I need more clarity. I am not ready yet. I will decide when I feel more confident. But clarity does not usually come before commitment. It comes after. And confidence is rarely a prerequisite. It is a consequence. What truly keeps people stuck is not lack of intelligence, nor lack of ability. It is the fear of closing doors. Because choosing a path means saying, this is the direction I will walk, even if I don't see the entire road yet. And that requires inner authority. Let me tell you something important. Staying undecided has a cost. It costs energy. It costs peace. It costs momentum. When you don't choose your direction consciously, life chooses for you through habits, circumstances, and repetition. And slowly, days begin to feel similar. Weeks pass without meaning, and motivation fades, not because you are incapable, but because your inner compass is spinning. Choosing your path is not about guaranteeing success. It is about restoring coherence. When your thoughts, actions, and direction align, something stabilizes inside you. And from that stability, progress becomes possible. Here is something many people misunderstand. Choosing a path does not mean locking yourself in forever. A path is not a prison. A path is not a cage. It is the direction of movement. You are allowed to refine it. You are allowed to evolve. You are allowed to grow. But without a chosen direction, growth becomes scattered. Think of it this way. A river does not apologize for flowing in one direction. It gains power because it flows consistently. Your life works the same way. So, how do you choose your path without anxiety? You begin by asking better questions. Not, what should I do to impress others? But, what direction brings me closer to who I want to become? Not what guarantees safety, but what direction feels honest and expansive, even if it challenges me. Your path does not need to be spectacular. It needs to be true. Truth creates energy. Alignment creates momentum. One of the most liberating realizations is this one. You do not need to feel ready to decide. Readiness grows after commitment. The moment you choose a direction, your mind begins to organize itself around that decision. Your focus sharpens. Your perception changes. Opportunities become visible. Not magically, but naturally. Before we close today, I want to thank you for staying with me through this episode. If something resonated, if a sentence stayed with you, that is not random. It is a signal, a quiet invitation to stop drifting and start choosing. If today's episode helped you reflect on your direction, and you feel ready to go deeper, you are warmly invited to work with me. You can explore The Shift, my signature program for clarity, confidence, and inner direction. Or, if you feel called toward a higher level of mastery, you may step into the path to achievement created by my mentor, Kim. Both programs are linked in my Linktree, where you'll find everything you need. We are just beginning this journey together, and I am honored to walk it with you. As for me, I shall see you on our private live calls in both programs and in the next episode of this podcast. With unwavering guidance and a steadfast heart, I am Louise-Marie, your Dynamite delegate, helping you rise to meet the life you were born to live.